Hi, that was my version of He's a Pirate from Pirates of the Caribbean. Basically, I'm doing it as a flat picking tune, just means I'm using a flat pick. It's often applied to bluegrass stuff. Flat picking bluegrass stuff is pretty amazing. Tony Rice and Marty Stewart, people like that, if you want a couple rabbit holes to go down. Not much to it, you just play all the notes that are in the tab. But it gives me the opportunity to mention some things about picking. I see online where a lot of people are proponents of just straight up and down picking, and that's cool. I'm not a big fan of that. I think that downstrokes are really, really important as far as power goes. Upstrokes never have the same power as a downstroke. I mean, I understand if you're playing something incredibly fast and very technical, then you've sort of got a machine gun it, you know. But a song like this, I'm doing that all in downstrokes. If I did down up, my pick would be over here and I'd be late to get to the middle string. Right? So I go down, down. You could go up, down, and you could go down, up. That doesn't sound as good to me as... So that's how I do it, and I sort of carry on throughout the song like that. That's the first phrase. The second phrase, 0, 2, 3, 3 on the middle string. 0, up on the 2, and then down, down. Because those down, downs are really important in this song. Like that. Okay, and then we have 3, 0, 3 on the middle, 0 on the high, 2 2s on the middle. Now there I went downstroke, upstroke, and then I did an upstroke because even though I was downstroke here, I could have gone to the next string, then I'd be over here. So downstroke, upstroke brings my pick back to the middle string, but then 2 downstrokes on the 2. See how it sort of keeps the phrasing the same? I believe they're all eighth notes anyway, but there is an accent on every line. Down, up, down, down. And then we have 0, 5, 0. Right. It repeats it, and then there's a variation. Then 0, 3, 0, 0 on the high string. And once again, I'd play it with 2 downstrokes. Actually, I think I do the whole thing in downstrokes. Okay, and then on the high string again, 0, 2, 3, 3. So I'd play that the same way, down, up, down, down. Then 2, 0, 2, 0 on the middle, 2, 0, 2 on the high. Like that. That's how it works for me anyway. And then there's 0, 2, 3, 3, which we've done before. And once again, down, up, down, down. 0, 2 on the high. I do an upstroke, so I'm back coming over this way. Okay, and then this is a little variation at the end. 0, 3, 2, 2. So I do that the same picking way I did before. Down, up, down, down. And then 3, 0, 2. Like a tag on there. And that is down, up, down. So I'll run through it again for you. I should mention I'm using my plank. I get comments saying, you don't talk about your guitars enough. So this plank is super easy to make. Anybody can do it. Everything was from, I got the neck from Amazon, and I used a shorter scale for this. It's turning out to be my favorite guitar. It's so easy to play. It's a 23-inch scale, and the bridge I got from them. And this is an MBG pickup that's just the same width as the neck. And yeah, I got it just screwed on here. I had it looking nicer before, actually, with the screws hidden and everything. But I wanted to make it really obvious when you see it, just how easy this is. And even this piece of wood, this is a piece of basswood. I got that from Amazon as well. Everything was very little costly, but really easy to put together. I think it sounds pretty good. I've done tons of videos with it. I get lots of questions about it. And there's a link to how to make your own. Like I said, very easy, and it's really worth the effort. Lots of fun to play. So I hope you have fun with that Pirates of the Caribbean tune. Have a great day. Bye.